Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. Remember, this is my personal experience with using this website. In this video, we're taking a look at Newegg, www.newegg.com, a popular online retailer known primarily for its extensive selection of computer hardware and electronics. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast building your dream PC or just looking for a new laptop, Newegg has likely got you covered. Their vast inventory includes components like CPUs, GPUs, motherboards, RAM, storage drives, and peripherals, as well as pre-built systems, laptops, tablets, networking equipment, and even gaming consoles. One of the key features that sets Newegg apart is its competitive pricing. They often run sales and promotional offers, making it a great place to snag deals on the latest tech. Newegg also provides a platform for third-party sellers, further expanding the product selection and often offering even more competitive prices. This can be a great way to find exactly what you're looking for, but it's always wise to check seller ratings and reviews before making a purchase. Beyond hardware, Newegg has diversified its offerings over the years to include a wider range of products. You can now find everything from home appliances and office supplies to sporting goods and even automotive accessories on their website. This expansion makes Newegg a more comprehensive online shopping destination. Navigation on the Newegg website is generally straightforward. The site is well organized with clearly defined categories and subcategories, making it easy to browse and find the specific products you're looking for. The search function is also effective, allowing you to quickly narrow down your options by keyword or product specifications. Each product listing typically includes detailed specifications, multiple images, customer reviews, and often videos, providing a comprehensive overview before you add it to your cart. While Newegg offers a generally positive shopping experience, some users have reported issues with customer service or returns. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with their return policies and procedures before making a purchase. Overall, Newegg remains a popular and reputable destination for tech enthusiasts and anyone seeking competitive prices on a wide range of electronics and other goods. Remember to check the description for all the links mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching.